A manual coffee grinder grind coffee beans by hand, as opposed to electric grinders which operate with motors. Here are some key features and considerations. Grind consistency. Manual grinders can produce consistent grind sizes suitable for various brewing methods, such as espresso, drip coffee, French press, etc. The quality of the grind depends on the burr mechanism, ceramic or stainless steel, and the precision of the adjustment settings. Portability. Manual coffee grinders are often compact and portable, making them ideal for travel or camping where electricity might not be available. Adjustability. Most manual grinders offer adjustable settings to control the size of the grind. This allows you to achieve the optimal grind size for your preferred brewing method. Build quality. Look for grinders made from durable materials like stainless steel or ceramic, which are sturdy enough to withstand daily use. Capacity. Consider the hopper size where you pour the beans and the grounds container capacity. Larger capacities are convenient if you frequently grind coffee for multiple servings. Ease of cleaning. Manual grinders are generally easy to disassemble and clean, which is important for maintaining freshness and preventing stale flavors. Price. Manual coffee grinders range in price depending on their build quality and features. They can be affordable alternatives to electric grinders. Popular manual coffee grinder brands include Hario, Porlex, and Java Press, among others. When choosing a grinder, think about how often you'll use it, your preferred brewing methods, and your budget. So here are top 5 best manual coffee grinder.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.